Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. It is Sunday today and I figured I would take you guys with me throughout the day. I just got a package a couple days ago from Grove, and sometimes I skip Grove orders, but I decided to do it for this month. I just got cleaning supplies. You can get cleaning supplies, pet supplies, baby things, a bunch of different products. So the first thing I got was this Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface cleaner, and this is in a limited edition scent in Compassion Flower. This actually smells really good. Also, we got compostable cutlery, so 24 assorted spoons, forks, and knives. We got this little brush. We've had this in the past, but ours got really gross, so we like using this for our pans, and it's just a freaking brush. I don't know, I like it. Also, I have this from Eco Tools. It's a total perfecting blender, 100% vegan, and it's just a makeup sponge, so I wanted to try this out. I've never tried it before. We got coconut scoring pads. So this is a 2-pack and it's made from coconut shells and recycled fibers. Thought that was pretty cool. And recently our laundry hasn't been smelling too fresh, and I have a feeling it's from the washing machine or the dryer. I don't really know which one, but this is from 7th Generation. It's a 3-in-1 Oxy Booster Pack. So it says it whitens, brightens, and lifts stains, and it's supposed to make your clothes smell a bit better. So we're gonna be giving these a try and see if it works. And then also we just got tissues. So that's everything that I got from Grove this month. I'll link it down below. Video is not sponsored, but I will take you guys today with me. We're gonna go to Starbucks, maybe Kohls, who knows where the day will take us, but I'll take you guys with me. All right, I wish I had my sunglasses. So we're now in the drive-thru of Starbucks. We're gonna get our Sunday drinks, a grande iced soy vanilla latte and a grande iced vanilla latte, sugar-free vanilla with almond milk. So good. Mine's a little bit better, to be honest, but they're still really good. I also got my hair done. I don't know if you guys can tell, it's a bit messy right now, but I did get my hair done finally. So happy. Oh, look, it's starting to sprinkle. Today's a very weird day. The clouds are like, it's like sunny, but the clouds are big and puffy. It's just a strange, odd day.
Thank you for choosing Starbucks. How can I get started for you today?
Hi, can I get a grande iced soy vanilla latte?
Anything else?
And a grande iced vanilla latte with sugar-free vanilla and almond milk?
Sure.
And that's gonna be it.
A few moments later.
Going back to Starbucks because they messed up my drink.
Tell them about it.
$12 for 2 drinks. They can't get it right. It's very hard, I know, making a coffee, but anyways.
It's childs working in there.
No, I said children could work
You
there.
said childs.
It feels like every time I'm getting food or a drink lately, I'm doing it twice, driving back to get my food or drink again.
Scott's Sunday daily dose of complaining.
Listen, I just paid $12 for 2 coffees that are this big, alright? The least, in the line, I waited 20 minutes, so the least someone could do is, you know, make it right.
Alright, I got my coffee. I got a grande iced soy vanilla latte. Now I'm going into Kohls. I'm going to look for a juicer, and then maybe I'll look at the clothes. I kind of want like new workout clothes just for motivation. So let's take a look. It's really busy here, but I'm going to try and vlog anyway and show you guys what's in there. Scott is shopping at Lowe's, so he's going to meet up, but let's go. Alright, I found a juicer. It is very expensive. I didn't think it was going to be this much, and it's also like diesel. I think this is a juicer too, but it's still $150, and I didn't think it was going to be that much. If you're looking for little mini waffle makers, they have a bunch at Kohls, and look, they have one that makes it in shapes of pumpkins. How cute. You can get these at Target too. I got my mint one at Target, but they do have them at Kohls, and they're $14.99. Okay, I've heard amazing things about this Revlon hair dryer and brush in one, and they have it at Kohls, so I might get it. I'm just going to double check the price because it says it's $60 and I think it's like $35 at Target, but I really do want this. They also have Pixie at Kohls, and usually it's just at Target, so they have pretty much like everything. These liquid fairy lights, they're only $15. They're very similar to the Stila ones. Look how pretty this is. I have a bunch of these and I love them. And they have all the skincare. These are my favorite liquid lipsticks. They're only $14 and they're literally the most comfortable on the lips ever. Love these. These I've never tried. H2O Skin Tints. $24. I've never tried like the complexion side of this. The concealers. Maybe I'll have to try something. Alright, so there's a new collection at Kohls. It's called PYT Beauty, and they actually sent me this trio. So it comes with 3 different glosses, but I didn't realize that they had so much more. So basically this is supposed to be very natural. It's cruelty-free, paraben-free. They have double-ended lipsticks here, highlighters, concealers down there. She said the brow products were really nice too. I'm thinking about getting this because this looks like a perfect nude. And one side it's a lipstick and one side is the gloss. What did you find, sweets? 2 Adidas. It's funny because he was shopping on the other end and I got this, which is basically the same thing. Great minds think alike. I decided I'm just gonna get this because it's $50, which is still kind of expensive. So I'm just gonna get this for today. Oh, babe, the juicers were $160. Way too much. Everything over here is so cute. These makeup bags. So cute. Love these. These are really pretty from Lauren Conrad. She has a bunch of jewelry here. I love these. These are a little bit more dainty. So pretty. This little elephant. So cute. How adorable is this? And this little ice cream one. Flamingos. Oh my goodness. Hi guys, so back home now, I ended up getting the Revlon Salon One-Step Hair Dryer and Volumizer in one. I've heard really good things about this product, and I think it's comparable to the Dry Bar one that's like $150, maybe even more. So this one was $50 and I picked it up. I know you can get it on Amazon, at Target, and then they do have it at Kohls, and I like that this one is mint. So I picked that up. I'll let you guys know how I like it, but I feel like I can never do my hair because when I straighten it, I feel like it looks too flat, and when I curl it, oh, there's someone like paddleboarding out there. How interesting. And the fan just stopped. What the hell? Anyways, I feel like I can't style my hair. Like, it looks so good when I get out of the hair salon, but I can't do it myself like that. So hopefully this will help me. I will keep you guys updated on that. I wanted to tell you guys kind of a scary haunted story. I don't know if this barn is haunted. I don't know if the Barbados little house that we got in Barbados is haunted, but something is happening and I just wanted to share it with you guys, and we will see if anything happens further. I kind of hope it does because it's interesting. Like, paranormal activity to me is so interesting and I really like it. Basically, we have this little Barbados house and I've showed it before. It's on the top shelf of my kitchen and I like to keep it straight. I think it looks better straight on. And I noticed like 3 to 4 weeks ago that it was like tilted off to the side. And I thought like my mom or Scott like moved it. So I made it straight again. I was like, oh, it looks way better just like straight. So I moved it back. And then like a few days later, I noticed it was on an angle again, and even like a different angle this time. Like, it was completely moved. And I was like, that's weird. I definitely straightened this. So I straightened it again. And I told Scott about it. He's like, oh, you're probably just moving it. I'm like, I'm not moving it. So it was like a couple weeks later, and I was talking to Scott in the living room, and I look over his shoulder and I'm like, look, that house is at an angle again. So we go over and he's like, are you sure you're not moving it? I'm like, I am sure I am not moving it. He's like, maybe for the barn tour you moved it. I was like, no, the barn tour, it was completely straight. Like, I have a video clip of it being completely straight. This was like a day or two later. So what he did was he outlined the little house in pencil to see if it would move or not, because we would be able to tell now, because sometimes it's hard to tell. So he outlined it in pencil, and a couple days later it moved again. It was completely not in the lines. So I'm like, this is so weird, but kind of cool. But he was on his computer and he was playing video games and he was talking to his friends and he was like laughing and joking about it, and he was like, yeah, Sadie's probably just like playing a joke on me, and she's probably the one that's moving it, and I'm in the background like, I am not moving it. I'm not moving the house. Like, why would I? So Scott gets home a couple of days ago, and he gets home before me, so he looked at the house and it was moved. So he moves it back, and then he brings Teddy outside, and he comes back and looks at it, and it's moved again. Like, what is going on? So I kind of thought that maybe it's like the wind from the door, because the door's right next to it. So I'm like, well, maybe it's all in my mind, because Scott thinks I'm crazy. Maybe it's just all in my mind. So I went next to the door and I opened it, and I did it as fast as I could so that the wind would like potentially blow it, and it did not move. Also, the window that's right here, I kept closed for 3 days because he thought it might be the wind coming in. It was closed for 3 days and it moved. And then he also thought that maybe it's the wind from our fan, because we have a big ceiling fan that blows, but it stays on 24/7, it's constantly on, and it goes the same speed. And I'm like, if it was the freaking wind from the fan, then it would be constantly moving it. It's absolutely not. I even went close to it and blew on it and it didn't move. So, I don't know, I think it's haunted. I don't know what it is. But I also said out loud in that mirror the other day when I was doing my makeup, I had said, maybe if you're a spirit around me and you're friendly, I don't mind if you're here as long as you don't bother me. But if you are friendly, can you please move the house again by the end of the night? And that was the same night that it moved twice for Scott. And that was the first time that he actually got like a little freaked out, because like I said, like he didn't believe me. He thought it was me moving it, and then it moved twice for him. So yeah, there's something going on with this Barbados little house. I'm not scared at all, just because I'm into it. Hopefully nothing terrible happens, but for now, I'm kind of into it. So I'll keep you guys updated and see what else happens. Maybe put something else there. I don't know. I don't know if it's like connected to that little house or if it's connected to the barn. So we shall see. I'll keep you guys updated. You wanna go outside? You wanna go outside with mommy? You do? You wanna go outside? Well, all right, let's go. Burning my pineapple crumb cake. This is one of my favorite candles. It smells so good. All right, I wanted to show you guys a couple of things. I went to Sephora last week and Michaela did my makeup and I picked up a few things. This is usually where I do my makeup, so this is like my everyday face. I've been doing it in front of this mirror. But the new things that I picked up are this Huda Beauty. This is a cream contour in the shade Light. I really like this. I've been contouring every single day. I need a self-tan for sure, but this is what I've been using on my face. And then I also got this Sephora Collection foundation brush. So like I said, I want to like kind of switch over from sponges, maybe still blend out concealer with sponges, but I do like this brush a lot. I think it's like not too dense, but I don't know, it works really well. So I got that. And then this is a new concealer from Urban Decay. It is the Stay Naked Concealer Correcting. And this is in the shade 40 and... You are not serious.
What?
What a freaking sludge bucket. Why are you so loud?
I didn't mean to.
You're such a liar. Babe, I have a stiff neck. I probably have triple E.
Stop it.
It is so stiff, it's ridiculous. Do you feel that?
That's shoulders, not neck.
No, it's into my neck, babe. It's like bad. Does your neck feel stiff? Ow, you feel that?
Yes.
Well, what the hell is it?
Just stress.
No, it's not stress. Oh my god. Anyways, this concealer is the new Stay Naked Concealer in 40 NY, neutral yellow, and I do really like it. You have to let it sit on your face before you blend it out. Ow!
That hurts?
Yes!
Being so gentle.
Oh my god, that freaking hurts bad, babe.
I'm being so gentle.
Ow!
That's how you get it out.
No.
You need to straighten your back.
Serious? You're freaking Mr. Hunchman all the time. You come at me. Ow, this hurts. This is like torture.
I'm not even going hard.
Yes, you freaking are. Ow!
That's how you get it out.
All right, so that's what I use every day on my face, but those were the 3 new products that I got.
There, and so I'm gonna have the nachos. There's not enough.
Babe, there's enough for 2 people. I'm having some nachos.
There's not enough for 2.
Well, we're gonna split it.
How are we gonna split if there's not enough for
There's definitely enough for 2. Babe, that's so much.
2? There's 3 nachos there.
I can see it.
Are you seriously doing this?
Yes, we're splitting it.
It's crazy to me that you're so well.
Don't eat half of it. Babe, what is wrong with you?
That's scraping off of the tinfoil.
We're splitting those.
No, we're not.
Yes, we freaking are. I've never met a more selfish food person in my entire life.
You would've let those rot on the oven if I didn't put them in the refrigerator.
That's not true. It doesn't matter what I would have done. I'm splitting those with you.
There's 2 chips on there.
I'm eating one of them then. Does anyone else's significant other be so greedy when it comes to food?
You are the most greedy.
Babe, it smells like that candle's burning. Doesn't it smell like one of the wicks went out? Like,
Yeah, it went out.
I knew it.
It's fine.
All right. What were you saying? I'm the most greedy? You are, babe.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, we cannot share food, just so everyone knows. We can't share food because this one won't have it.
Why?
He'll eat all of it.
No.
90% of it. Of anything. Alright, so I think I'm going to edit my vlog. I'm currently watching 13 Reasons Why because season 3 did launch on Netflix. So if you guys are into the show, they did release it. And I'm on episode 7 right now. It's definitely like a deep show. It kind of makes me feel a little bit emotional when I watch it, but I do like watching it. So I'm going to be watching this. I do want to edit my vlog for you guys. Sorry it was on the shorter side, but this week I will be vlogging a lot. I'm going to go to the Too Faced event in Boston and maybe do some home decor shopping, and then I'm also getting a facial this week. It's just going to be a nice, fun, pampering week. I want to get my nails done as well tomorrow. So yeah, I will vlog this whole week with you guys too, but I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.